Core strength is essential for overall health and well-being. It plays a crucial role in almost every movement you make. It's the key to a healthy and happy you. A strong core can help you perform daily activities with ease, from bending to tie your shoes to lifting heavy objects. Your core is like your body's powerhouse. It includes muscles in your abdomen, back, and pelvis, working together to support your spine and keep you stable. It helps you move with ease and stay strong. Whether you're running, jumping, or simply walking, a strong core ensures that your movements are efficient and less prone to injury. A strong core supports your back. It improves your posture. Good posture not only makes you look confident but also reduces the risk of back pain and other related issues. And it helps you balance better. Balance is crucial for preventing falls and maintaining stability, especially as we age. Who doesn't want all of that? A strong core can enhance your overall fitness and make you feel more energetic and capable. Today we're going to explore a fantastic exercise. It's simple yet effective, and you don't need any special equipment. It's called the standing cross-body knee to elbow. This exercise targets your core muscles while also engaging your legs and arms. It's simple, effective, and you can do it anywhere. Whether you're at home, in the park, or even at the office, this exercise can fit into your routine and help you build a stronger core. Ready to learn this awesome exercise? It's called the cross-body knee to elbow, and it's a fantastic way to engage your core while standing. This move not only strengthens your abdominal muscles but also improves your balance and coordination. It's all about working those core muscles while standing tall. This exercise is perfect for those who want to add a dynamic twist to their routine without needing any equipment. First, stand with your feet hip-width apart. Keep your core engaged. This is crucial for maintaining balance and ensuring that you get the most out of the exercise. Now, lift your right knee up towards your chest. Imagine you're trying to touch your knee to your chest without bending forward. As you lift, twist your upper body to bring your left elbow towards your right knee. This twisting motion is what really targets those oblique muscles. See? You're already twisting and toning. Keep that smile on your face. It makes the workout more enjoyable. Lower your leg and arm back down. Make sure to do this slowly and with control to maximize the benefits. Repeat on the other side. That's 1 rep. Aim for 10 to 15 reps on each side for a complete set. This exercise is great for adding into your daily routine, whether you're at the park, in your backyard, or even in your living room. Keep practicing, and you'll notice improvements in your core strength and overall stability. This exercise is a winner for so many reasons. First, it's amazing for your core. You'll feel those abs working hard. It also improves your balance and coordination. Plus, it's super versatile. You can do it anywhere, anytime, no gym needed. It's a great way to sneak in a workout during the day, and guess what? It's easy on your joints. This makes it a great choice for people of all fitness levels. Section 4. Real people, real results. Don't just take my word for it. People everywhere are seeing fantastic results with this exercise. Sarah, a busy mom of 2, tells me it's transformed her core strength. She feels stronger and more energized than ever. And John, who used to struggle with back pain, says this exercise has been a game changer. He feels stronger and his pain is gone. Section 5. Join the movement. Welcome to a community where fitness meets fun and everyone is encouraged to push their limits. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, there's a place for you here. Are you ready to feel the amazing benefits of a stronger core? Imagine the confidence you'll gain and the energy you'll feel throughout your day. A strong core isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Give this exercise a try. It's simple yet effective, and you can do it anywhere. No need for fancy equipment or a gym membership. Just your determination and a bit of space. Start with a few repetitions each day, and gradually increase as you get stronger. Consistency is key. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to your fitness goals. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome fitness tips and tricks. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with the latest workouts, nutrition advice, and motivational content to keep you on track. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Your support helps me create more content that can help you and others.